Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall a package from a Node.js application. So without any delay, let's start. So in this particular example, we are going to remove this nodemon. If you see inside my node modules, the nodemon folder exists here, but we want to remove this. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, you will press Ctrl plus backtick to open your terminal, which is a built-in terminal in our Visual Studio Code. And now you will simply type here npm uninstall and then your package name. You can see here my package name is nodemon, so I will type here as it is. Make sure if you have any hyphens in your package name, any letter is uppercase or lowercase, please write it as it is, and then you will simply press enter. And you can see that from our dependencies the nodemon have removed, and you can also see that from our node modules folder this package have been gone. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like and subscribe, and finally thanks for watching.